The temperature setting dial is located on the one-door refrigerator. To make the fridge colder, turn the knob to a higher number. After the installation, let the refrigerator run for 12 hours by setting the dial to 4. In winter, set the fridge to 1 to 3. In monsoon, set the fridge to 3 to 5. In summer, set the fridge to 5 to 7. To maximize the cooling retention of the Evercool case, refrigerator needs to run minimum 8 hours. In double-door refrigerator, there are fridge and freezer temperature controllers. These are typical examples of temperature controllers. In Type 1 and 2, turn the knob to a higher number to make the fridge colder. In Type 1, turn the dial to a lower number to make the freezer cooler. Dots and star on the freezer dial can be used for testing and to control the temperature. In the summer, set the fridge to 6 to 7 and the freezer to 1. In the monsoon, set the fridge to 4 to 5 and the freezer to 2 to 3. In the winter, set the fridge to 2 to 3 and the freezer to 3. For fast cooling, set fridge to 6 to 7 and freezer to 1. In Type 2, lower the fridge temperature by pressing the button and let more light. The temperature is set in 7 steps, from min to max cooling. Min is warmest and max is coldest temperature. Lower the freezer temperature by sliding the dial to a higher number. If you have a display, press fridge or freezer button to lower the fridge or freezer temperature. Each time you press the button, the temperature decreases until it reaches the lowest setting. Then it moves to the highest setting and decreases from there. To activate dual fridge mode, pressing the button for 3 seconds. You can use the freezer compartment as the fridge temperature. To deactivate dual fridge mode, pressing the freezer button for 3 seconds. Express freeze function quickly lower the refrigerator temperature. Pressing the button for 3 seconds to activate. It shuts off automatically after it reaches the proper temperature. To shut it off manually, press the button for 3 seconds. You can change the temperature on the control panel of a large refrigerator. To change the set temperature, press freezer or fridge button repeatedly until the desired temperature is displayed. Each time you press the button, the temperature decreases until it reaches the lowest setting. Then it moves to the highest setting and decreases from there. To download the user manual, go to lg.com. Search using the model number of your refrigerator. The model number can be found inside the refrigerator. Click the refrigerator. Click on the support menu. Click the model number to download the manual. For more information, visit the lg.com website and click on the support menu.